What's up? I'm Sterling. Today I'm going to teach you how to drop in. The thing about dropping in is that 95% of the trick is right here. Like when you're learning an ollie, it's all in your feet. There's not a lot to be afraid of. But when you're dropping in, it looks scary. You think you're going to die. You don't want to hit your head. Ow. Yeah, don't hit your head. If you feel more comfortable wearing a helmet, then by all means wear a helmet. I did when I was 9. Helmets are cool, I promise. I wear mine all the time. I just don't wear it when I film because I want you to see my flow. But I believe in you. You can drop in. Anyone can drop in. I bet your mom could drop in. Anyone could do it. Like, I bet if you trained a dog right, a dog could drop in. Another option you can use when you're learning to drop in is to try just on a bank, like just a slanted bank, and just get the feel of slamming the board down before you take it to the actual coping. So the reason dropping in is so hard for some people is just because it looks scary, so they can't commit to it. But basically, all you're doing is stomping down on your front foot, and then you're shifting your weight, your body kind of forward. So instead of being straight up and down all the way throughout, you tilt your body forward so that your center of gravity can move with it like that. So it's all just in the initial lean. You just lean forward. With your feet, you're gonna want your back foot on the back and your front foot on the front. No, you want your back foot, the ball of your foot right on the tail like that. You don't want it skidding down the ramp like that. You want it just on the board, nice and easy. And then your front foot just in a normal riding position. And then you stomp down. Maybe you should be teaching me how to skate. If you don't put all your weight forward, you're gonna do a manual down the ramp, hit your head on the coping, pass out, someone's gonna call the ambulance. No one really wants to call the ambulance, and you probably can't afford it anyway. So when you're learning to drop in, it's always better to lean too far forward than backward. Because if you lean too far forward, you just fall off the board and kind of roll. You might want to wear a helmet learning this. There's no shame in wearing a helmet. I wear a helmet all the time. And when I learned to drop in, I wore a helmet. It's not lame. It's only lame if you think you're lame. I mean, it's 2019. You can be whatever gender you want. If you can do that, you can wear a helmet to the skate park. And then once you do learn how to drop in, don't stop there. Start with the small ones. And then work your way up to the bigger stuff, and then eventually you'll be Tony Hawk.